Hey, Gordon College. My name is Lexon Dambo. I'm a senior captain on the men's soccer team.
And my name is Ben Mullenhauer. I'm a junior captain.
We shall thank you so much for your support leading up to this whole season as we have our championship match tomorrow against Salve Regina. It's been very crucial for us this whole season.
Yeah, just thank you for everything. You guys have easily the best fans in the CCC, and we're hoping to get one more for you guys.
When is the team as a whole at their best?
I think we're at our best when we actually play better teams. When we play weaker teams, we usually have a slow start. But when we play the stronger teams and we have that underdog mentality, seen that in the last couple games. When 2 playoff games we've been down 1-0 and end up winning 3-2.
I think especially games when everyone is talking, when everyone is ready to go even before the game.
What has been your greatest challenge up to this point?
What has been our greatest challenge? I think that's a good question.
COVID.
COVID, yes.
I think another thing that's been really tough for us has been the 2 games we played in the rain back-to-back in 40-degree weather. And getting healthy would be really big for us.
What would it take for you to consider this a successful season?
Ultimately, to consider it successful, it's not losing. It's hard to walk away with a loss and call it successful.
We also know that our goal coming into this season is to go as far as we can coming into the playoffs and always ultimately win the championship.
What makes this year so special compared to past years?
It's just been cool to see the unity between the team and just like how everyone wants to be better every day and in every game, and I think that's been very special. And we've had to change a lot of things, the way we play, some tactical stuff. So I think, and that's been special to see that, the way that the coaching staff has had us play has been so successful.
For me, what makes this season so special is thinking about last year. And last year, we were the only team out in the turf in the winter, and we were shoveling off the field every day before practice, and sometimes just shoveling off water off the turf, and we did that for months, and we just stand out there in the freezing cold, and we knew it'd pay off, but we could never really see when it would pay off because we didn't know what our next season would be. So this season just feels like we're reaping what we've sown big time. And when we were sowing back in last winter, it was brutal and it was hard to get motivated and hard to bundle up and go out there, but we were one of the only teams playing the conference, and we see it paying off now.
And how can fans best support you in this upcoming game?
Well, our fans have been amazing this year. I think we are where we are right now because of our fans. As we've seen, especially the last 2 games. Shout out to Fighting Scots Nation. We were at Endicott and it looked like it was our own game.
Yeah, fans can support us just by coming if they can, because I think we're the team that likes to celebrate with their fans the most. Like every time we score, we try to run right over the fans and make them feel appreciated.